Morning everybody. I just wanted to do a quick video. I promised quite a few people I'd do this. It's all about the Tattered Lace Charisma. So recently you've probably noticed that rather than having the downloads as JPEGs, they are now downloading as PDFs, which is brilliant if you're just printing them off, because of course they're going to be the perfect size. There's not going to be any resizing. But if you don't want to print them off and you want to take them into Minecraft Studio, of course, then there's a little bit of an issue of actually transforming them into JPEGs to take them into Minecraft Studio. So I have done this on my computer for you and recorded it so you can see exactly what I'm doing, and what I'm going to do now is play that video and talk over it to let you know how I do it. Now if you're working on a Mac, of course this isn't going to be relevant because you can't use Minecraft Studio on a Mac anyway, so PDFs are still absolutely fine for you to just print off from a Mac as they are. Also on a Mac there are some tools when you go into an image, so you can adjust the color a little bit anyway, but for using Minecraft Studio you'll be on a Windows computer anyway, so a lot of what I'm doing will be relevant to you. Okay, so let me just bring up that video. Okay, just give it a second. There we go. So what I do now, into the Tattered Lace website, we'll now find the downloads. So I'm going to click on, for example, the pressed rose, and rather than save, I'm going to save as, so I know exactly where to find that later on. So you can see I've already done a practice run here with pressed rose. So I always go up to my desktop first of all, if I'm going to be working with it straight away. I'm going to change the name of that to just pressed rose with capitals, I think, or just pressed rose, and then save that. So that's now on my desktop, very easy to find. Then I need to go online. So if you go into your search engine and you type in PDF to JPEG, you'll see lots of options come up. The one I find the easiest, because you don't have to download anything, any program, you'll see here, it's actually in the comments there on WikiHow, is a site called PDF to JPEG. Very, very easy. So you can either click on there, or if you scroll down you may find it there. So I click on that website and this is what comes up. Okay, so I'll just show you there the home screen. Now just scroll down on the home screen, so you haven't downloaded anything to your computer, you're just using it and then coming straight back out of it again. So when you're on here, scroll down a little bit. It says choose a PDF file. Click on there. And then what you'll need to do is find, again, if you save it to your desktop, find that image that you saved as a PDF. So you can see the .pdf at the bottom there. I just chose the wrong one, so I was just looking at the JPEG, so I needed to go back. So just ignore what I was doing here. So I thought, oh no, that's the wrong one. I went back. There we go. Down the bottom is the PDF there. Okay, so now change the quality that you want this to be in. I always go with excellent and convert PDF to JPEG. That's as easy as it is. Takes a few seconds, and once it's converted with a bulk file, so lots of files, you'll get them all come up individually. You'll see in a moment, and they come up, you'll see it'll be 2, 4, 6, it'll start, there we go. Just give it a second for everything to load. So now you've got some options. You can view each of these. So if there's a particular one of, say, the pressed rose collection that you wanted, you can view them before doing anything. So just click on view, there you go, and use the cross to come back out. Or you can download an individual one as well when you're happy. So just click download, or scroll down, you'll see zip archive. If you download all your pictures as a zip file, this basically means you're compressing them, downloading them as a compressed file, so you'll get all of the images at once. Again, just save them somewhere easy to find, like for example your desktop for now, or if you've got a particular folder for your Charisma images, as long as you can find it. So now I'm going to put them as capitals, sorry, here, and then I'll be able to find the zip file easy. Okay, so you've done that. Already it says that there's finished downloading, so quick and easy. Then what we need to do is, I'm waiting in Minecraft Studio here, but what I need to do is come into my files. So if you go to your files folder on your computer, if you go up to your desktop where you've saved everything, and then find that zip file. There we go, with the capitals. If you click on that, go to the top, press extract and extract all. I just press extract. That's just saying it's going to be in the same place as where the original zip file is. And then what you'll find is all of those images will open up for you, and you've got them all now. Can you see they're JPEGs, .jpeg at the end of each one. They're all now saved to your computer as JPEGs. Okay, now you can actually delete the zip file, and if you want to, you can also delete that PDF as well, if you want to just get rid of it off your computer, because I just right click there and press delete, and then that saves storage on your computer. Now you need to go into Microsoft Studio, pop into under the Files tab, go into Desktop. You can see you've got pressed rows there, and there's all your JPEG images. So bring one across, drop and drag, or drag and drop, as you normally would. I pop it onto my workspace. I'm not resizing anything, so don't press any of those squares, otherwise you may resize it. It's the perfect size as it is. Go to Effects. Now you've got two options. You can go to Hue, and if I slide this, you'll see that it's changing the overall hue to all yellows, all greens, all blues. And you can do that, absolutely. That's nice if you're looking for coordinated colour throughout your flowers. Or if you go to Rainbow, we haven't really shown this on Microsoft Studio too much. If you look at Rainbow, look what's happening as I slide this. They're actually changing with colour variations, so it's a little bit different. Have a play with this one as well while you're there. I mean, look at the beautiful purples and blues you can get from that red and pink that I originally had, and the purples. You get more colour tones and more shades in that. So that's as easy as it is. Now, when you've found a colour that you really like, so say I just settle on these orangey, yellowy tones, just click print. Okay, and you'll see there I don't actually have any options there for printing with size, so that's perfect. I can just hit print and that's ready to go. So there you go. Hopefully that will help some of you. If you have any questions, let me know on Lou Collins Designs on Facebook, or my website is loucollins.blog. I'm happy to answer any questions about Charisma or Tattered Lace downloads. But yeah, so hopefully that will help you all, and I'll see you again soon with another tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye.